well, in TopCoder, because you have a very well documented code, but not only that, you have the thought process that led to that code. So we start with an idea, then we have a system architecture which kind of, flushes out the broad. It's a painting in broad strokes. Then what you have is a modular architecture which now takes that and starts kind of filling in the lines, making it more recognizable as to what this picture really represents. Then you have break that down into design. So you have this whole process and people involved in it that actually helps tremendously later on in any kind of maintenance, because it's not just the winner who's involved in this and who knows it. It's a lot of people. It's a whole community. And the competitive aspect of TopCoders, which is what I really love, is the fact that I will not always win, and it happens a lot. There are people who are out there who are great, but I win enough. And the most important thing for me is that I want to improve myself. I want to understand why didn't I win? What is it that I missed? What is it that I didn't know? Because it's not just process. It's not that I spelled something funny like that thing. I mean, it's more about, is there something that I'm missing in terms of understanding how a certain platform works? And if I get a second place or a third place, if a winner won something and I realize that he did something better about deployment than I did, I've just got an incredible piece of information. But normally, if I was just by myself or working for a company, I wouldn't probably even admit to it. I would say, well, I'm good, and therefore I just have to tweak it a little bit, it will work. Psychologically, I would tend, and this happened to me and to many people I know, psychologically we tend not to mess around with our baby, so to speak. That's why testing has to always be done by other people, not the people who wrote it. So here, I get a lot of testing because I get tested, my personality and everything else gets tested by this system. So I think, from that perspective, it's an incredible platform. It's an incredible platform because the people that you see there constantly improve in what it is that they're doing. And it's the passion that drives them, it's the process that leads them, and obviously everything else helps.